What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install the iPhone keyboard on your Poco M6 Plus. So first of all, open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for green Apple keyboard. Now install this green Apple keyboard app, and then after installing, tap on open. Now tap on switch input method, and from here select green Apple keyboard and then tap on OK. And now you can use your Apple keyboard on your Poco M6 Plus. So this is the Apple keyboard. So that's how you can install iPhone keyboard on your Poco M6 Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.